Hello and welcome to the world of online teaching. This is a quick video about how to make a comment on an existing Google document. So say you have this document in front of you and you see a suggestion, maybe something like move the spring semester to a pass-fail grade, so as to maintain the integrity of coursework and grades relative to other semesters. So you see that and you're like, oh, that's pretty good. Or you see that and you're like, that's pretty bad. Either way, you want to make a comment. So when you highlight it, you'll see what happened there. I'm going to take this off. Nothing's here. Look over in this region. But then I kind of like that. Highlight it and you'll see this thought bubble with a little plus shows up. Click on that. And you'll see a little screen show up that says, oh, we'll put your comment in. Nice idea. You are brilliant. Or maybe terrible idea. Try again. Either way, you can make a comment this way. Things don't stay cluttered here. We can see what people's thoughts are over here. And off we go. Okay, that's the video. Hope it's helpful.